Hi guys, Vishal Vellody here today with the people of manufacturing here at EMS, and I'm going to give you a grand tour of the whole machine shop, and after that we're going to talk to Bill Miller and see why you would want to see him in your machine shop and how it works. Let's go! No place I'd rather be than beautiful sunny Odessa, Florida. If you guys already watched the electric longboard video, you guys will know what the Cincinnati brake press is. And what we used this machine for was Ryder needed a cover to keep all his electronics on his longboard. So we came here and then we made flanges on the aluminum plating that we used for the cover. And then over there is the laser where we cut his parts. And let's go check that out. This is the machine that we used to cut Ryder's cover for his electronic longboard. Right here, these are actually 3 huge suction cups that take these big sheets of aluminum and they put it on the beds right there. So with this laser, it actually comes with 2 separate beds. While your other piece is running and cutting, you can get this ready, and then once your piece is done, this will lift up and then the beds will switch. The laser, how it works is it's ignited by 3 different gases: nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. And then there's little mirrors inside of there that reflect the lasers and concentrate it enough to where it can get small enough to cut all the metal. So then here on the actual metal, you can see everything's cut, and then all the shavings come down here. And then this is high-grade steel. The laser isn't strong enough to cut this, but it is for the aluminum. Sometimes the laser does get too hot and it does nick these and we have to change them out. But what's cool is that if we set the laser hot enough at the right temperature, then we can cut more of these. So then we cut parts to fix the laser with the laser. Here's a brochure for our new machine that we have here. This is the Doosan Puma 1800 series. This is going to boost up production in our machine shop, and it's going to change everything just by having this one machine. Oh, by the way, I'm a fan of Puma shoes here. I love them. I wear them all the time. The only problem is I don't have the steel-toed ones. I wish I could wear them in the workshop all the time. This is the Fatal 4th axis mill that we have here at EMS. We do a lot of operations on here that require lathe and mill work. And if you guys are interested in seeing the actual tools that we put in this machine, we got a bunch right over here. So right here we have all our drill bits that we use, and then we have end mills on here. These are the bottoms of the tools that we put in the machine. The machine, how it takes the tools, it takes them out and puts them back in, is it uses a pneumatic pump on there. So it sucks this in, and then there's a little collet that holds on right there, and then the pneumatics lets go of the collet and pushes the tool out when you want to switch tools out. And then I have a lot more down here. I have saws, I have more end mills, I have a reamer right here. So right here you have your saw end mill, and then you have an edge brake right here, and also we have our reamer right here to open up holes. You know, if there's burrs inside the holes, we use that right there. And then here's all the different size collets for all the different drill bits we want to use for all of our different tools. We have all the different size collets here, and here is the actual piece. So you take your tool and then you put it right in there, and then you tighten this up, and then if you want to take the tool out, you just loosen this up right here. Oh, it's a little tight, I can't get it out. But this turns around 180 degrees, and then it's easier to take a wrench to this and change out your tool if you want. And then here's all the different wrenches that we use for that. They have specialized wrenches just for these that go right there. And then we also use an adjustable wrench. These are the only tools you need to actually come in here and then change out your tools. And then you take your drill bits or whatever tool you're using, the end mill, you put the right size collet in it. What I like to do is I like to put the tool in here first to check that it's the right collet size, then put it inside of the actual tool holder. So let's loosen this up, take this out, put it back. Now that I gave you guys a tour of the shop, let's go inside the inspection office and talk with Bill Miller, the quality assurance engineer.
Hey buddy, what's up?
How you doing today, Bill Miller?
I got to do a first article measurement on the little ring that they're doing out there on the CNC lathe. It's got a pretty tight tolerance on it. We can take a look at it. Just do a quick circle measurement here. And of course, again, I'm not using the DNC programming feature on this right now because I only have one part to look at, so I don't really want to start and do a full program. And because programming this takes quite a bit of time because you're going to go through everything you're going to do. This is the first piece. And once he gets done and he does everything else that he has to do on the part, I'll get the whole part and I'll have it sitting here in front of me, and it'll tell me exactly, you know, after he won there what he needs done and all the dimensions off the drawing, and take care of business. I'm not pushing the button. You notice I push that button every time I want to bump it up against there to get the reading.
So when you push the button, it decreases your speed.
It makes it so you won't crash the machine. Yeah, you can just kind of cruise in there nice and easy. Now go ahead and go into that wall, nice and easy. And as soon as you hear it beep, the machine told us you measured it. You can press the button, it'll go back to full speed, and then you want to hit the button again, and it'll go to measure.
All right. So once you make a measurement, does it take this control off and it goes back to full speed?
You can set it that way, either way in the software.
Okay.
All right. Now it detects a line, but it's detected the line from because you went like this to there to the center, and then you went back over, and you've only made 2 points. What it's telling you now is you just made a line from here to there. Now go ahead and do me a favor and hit it over there.
All right. So when I make the 3 points,
It says circle automatically. It detects it.
Because you can't have a closed shape with only two.
You got it.
Yeah.
And once you get the feel for the machine, you know, you'll start to remember, hey, if I press the button, see, there's your circle.
There we go.
And then if I wanted to stop it at 3, I'm going to pretty much bet you that it's going to be a little bit different number. Yep, look at that. We got, on this one, we had 6, 2, 9, 6, 6, 4. Okay, those last two numbers, that's 40 millions you're seeing on the end. And look at this, on this one, it's going to be 6, 2, 9, 6, 7, 6. So you lost a tenth and 60 millions there. On this type of a part with this size, we're going to be plus or minus 20 millions on our measurement.
So when we have parts with really high tolerances, we actually do really need the CMM, and they sometimes require CMM report to make sure the parts are correct?
Correct, yes. We're as we move more into a lot of the aerospace parts and where there's tighter tolerances and you know, tighter finish requirements are different, things like that. You know, with tighter tolerances, you're going to be taking. We also have a scanning feature where it'll actually drag that ruby around the whole thing, and that's the most accurate way to measure, because theoretically when it's dragging it around that whole thing, it's taking up to 10,000 measurements. You know, I'm always glad to share any information I can with you, you know, you're doing a great job out there on the floor, and it seems like you just soak up everything I put at you. So, you know, we'll do more and more of this as time moves on.
Thank you for showing me how to use
You
the
bet,
Mintatoya coordinate measuring machine, and there's going to be a lot more to learn from you. Vishal Vellody here signing out. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and don't forget to share, like, and follow the People Manufacturing, and there will be a lot more content to come. Ever see a machine take a